Right, I have another Windows hints and tips here for you. This one's a quickie, and it's a quite a common problem I'm going to show you now, that certainly if you're in the UK, and that is the default US keyboard layout. I'll give you an example of what happens here. This usually shows itself up quite quickly after a reinstall, and also on some new PCs if they haven't been installed properly. And then have Windows installed correctly for the for the UK, sorry. So what you'll find is when you're going in there to do your email, you'll go to input the @ and you'll get quotation marks, and if you're going for the quotation marks and you hit the number 2, you'll get the @ symbol. And basically what's happening there is we've got a US default software keyboard on a hardware physical UK keyboard, and the two don't mix. So what we need to do here is set our default keyboard layout to the UK. So this is a fresh install of Windows 7. If you're following this on Vista, it's pretty much the same. You'll certainly be able to figure it out from watching this as to where to go and what to click. So if we go down to Start and left click on Start, go to Control Panel, left click Control Panel, you see you have Clock Language and Region up here. Now you can either click that or change keyboard or other input methods underneath it, but we'll go the full route. So once we're in there, you'll see change keyboard or other input methods, and we want to left click on there, which will bring up the region and language properties box. And you'll see that on the tab at the top here we have keyboards and languages, and then a button to change keyboard. So we click that button, which again opens up another sub menu, and you'll see here that default input language is English US, and the only option we've got here is English US. So what we want to do is add English UK. So if we click on Add, we'll be given a list of languages and keyboard layouts, and we want to zip down this list until we find UK. We expand and expand the keyboard, and you'll see there that we've got a tick box inside of United Kingdom. So we tick that box, click OK. Now if we drop down this box here, now you'll see we have United Kingdom, so I want to left click on there, and if we hit apply, that'll be applied. Now what we can do, just to remove confusion, is to actually get rid of the US keyboard if we're in the UK. If you don't need the US keyboard, or you just want the UK keyboard, just left click on the US, that'll highlight the US, and you'll see that we now are offered the option to remove. So hit remove, and there we go, we're just left with the UK keyboard. Click apply, click OK, and click OK again. That just removes the temptation or the opportunity for somebody to accidentally switch it back again. So if we now go into our text document and we go to @ we get @, and if we go to the number 2, we get quotation, and that's it. Just simply change the default keyboard to your country and you're done. And I'd like to thank you for viewing.